Hey, it's Kaki. Welcome back to Kaki 3892. Today we're teleporting to the cosmic dawn to meet a beast that challenges everything we thought about how the first giants in the universe grew. Using the James Webb Space Telescope, an international team found a tiny, bright crimson galaxy nicknamed a little red dot, officially named CAPERSLRD-Z9. Its light left there 13.3 billion years ago when the universe was only tilde 3% of its current age. The team used Webb's spectrograph to read the galaxy's fingerprint. The spectrum showed gas swirling at thousands of kilometers per second, the smoking gun of gas orbiting a black hole. Spicy facts. And get these estimates, put this ancient black hole at up to tilde 300 million times the mass of the sun, possibly half the mass of all the stars in its tiny host galaxy. How in the universe did it get so big so fast? Origins. Origin time. Scientists have two spicy options. 1. It started as a stellar mass black hole from a star and grew insanely fast super Eddington feeding. Or 2. It didn't crawl, it arrived heavy, a direct collapse black hole seed that formed nearly giant from day one. The new data make the heavy seed story look more plausible, but it's still a wild debate. If you really love this info and think that this info is really worth, then hit that like button and subscribe the Kaki 3892. You're tech mad. WH matters. This isn't just a trivia. A supermassive black hole this early could blow gas away, shutting down star formation around it, changing how early galaxies evolve. These little red dots might actually hide newborn black holes that make them look bright and red. Think of it like a bully at school eating all the snacks, nothing left for the others to grow. The tech. The discovery came from JWST's Ultra Deep Spectroscopic Kappas survey, giving us the ability to split faint ancient light and read the motions of gas. That's what let scientists confirm this wasn't just a star cluster, it's an accreting black hole. Spicy theory bite. Wild thought. If little red dots hide more monsters like this, whole textbooks on early galaxy formation might need rewriting. Museums of astronomy might get new exhibits titled "The Universe Grew Up Fast and Rude." Big green scientists are careful. These interpretations are based on spectroscopy and models, and follow-up observations are needed. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and quick comment your wildest origin theory. Grew fast or born big? I'll pin the craziest reply and react to it in my next cosmic deep dive. Like, comment, subscribe. We just peeked at one of the universe's first monsters. A single red dot, a black hole older than civilizations, a reminder that the cosmos still has secrets. Who knows what JWST will catch next? Until next time, keep looking up. This is Kaki, and the universe just got a little stranger. Be kind and be tech mad.